Morning. We're back to the rain. Sun is gone. Still going to go for a little spin though. Going to head to a place. Nah, it's about 25 kilometres away from me. We're going to do a little bit of off-roading today. I'm after getting a new pair of Alpine Stars. Tech 7s, so I want to try break them in. They're a bit stiff. I'll show you them. Once I get to the old petrol station, I need to get a bit of juice first. So, we'll see. Talk to you in a few minutes. See, they've done a bit of the road surface here local to me. The stuff is lethal for motorbikes. I don't know why they even put it down. It's a waste of time. It'll be up again in a month. Anyway. Silage is still in full swing anyway. These boots, back to these boots, these Tech 7s, they're a bit tight, a bit hard to change gear, and I know they're designed, they're more of an off-road boot. They're sort of designed more for dirt bike, but they give good protection and they're meant to be very comfortable once they're broken in, so just need to loosen them out a small, but we'll do that today when we get to the destination. Okay. Full tank of fuel and a cup of coffee is the order of the day to get things going. Yep, passing work there today. We don't do Saturdays. Saturdays are days for adventure. Small detour. Starting to piss rain now. That won't dampen the spirits though. Well. Going into a little village here called Woodford in County Galway. Which way am I going? I'm going up the hill. Yep, up this way. There's a wren there. I don't know, can you see that in the camera? It's a nice little village, well kept. Whoop. What way am I going? Staying straight on, is it? We're high up here, it's fairly high up. It's breezy too. Down we go. Oh. So the road's going to be slippy enough too with all the dry weather we had. All the dry weather, and I leave it till it rains to go for a spin. I meant to go out the last few weeks, but life at home is hectic. Kids, wife, all that kind of crack. Something on every evening, every day. Holidays. We're away for a few days in Spain. Lovely over there. to get heavy. Nearly there, not too far away. Hopefully it lightens off a small bit. I wouldn't trust the road, it's slippy. No, I'm winging it from here. I haven't a clue where I'm going, so sat nav is showing a road, but it's yeah, the bottoms, the soles of these Tech 7s are really hard soles. So you're able to stand up on your foot pegs and yeah, they're comfortable actually. We'll find somewhere we can go in. We'll have a little trail in through the woods. Is there anywhere in? Ah, there's one open here. No unauthorized persons allowed. I didn't see that. A couple of weeks ago I was down in Cork, and I was on a little back road up a mountain, and I realised if I get a puncture I am fucked. Ah, this is a dead end, is it? Ah, trees fell. Nothing. Whoa. Oh, she's sliding. There's nothing in this road anyway. And I know there's a trail up to a wind farm. There's a shitload of wind farms up here in Durrybrine. We'll trail the road a bit. Found the trail. Ah. Ah, we didn't. See, that's the kind of stuff that jumps out in front of you around here. Oh dear, oh dear. Don't want to be running into the likes of that on the road. You mightn't be big, but you can still do a bit of harm. Take this road. Some big windmills. Oh, rain, go away. Just for an hour. Of course, you'd have to be a dead end again, wouldn't you? Just spotted a load of deer up here. They're after taking off. Sure they won't get to see them again. Fuck. It's back. Just having a quick stop, having a quick look around. This is normally the time that I make a cup of coffee, but I don't have any coffee to have. Anyway, there's my transalp. He's all muddied up. Yeah, it's lovely. Here's something you don't come across every day in the middle of the woods. An old school. Teacher left her cup behind. Oh, have a quick look. Penny thread. You can imagine the stories were told in that school. Nursing school, 1899. As you can see, it's in the middle of nowhere.
Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star, a gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony,
Just as much fun as being on the road.
Through each night we'll keep burning bright. I'm so lucky to be
And I took
loved
the tree.
by you and Come the storms, weather, short or long.